Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to block and unblock someone on the Houseparty app. So this is going to work the same on any mobile device, whether an iPhone, Android. It's going to be the same process throughout. So first of all, the way to block someone would be potentially be here. You'll be able to see your friends, etc. Like if you just open the app, this would be the screen you almost likely see. Some of your friends will appear here, but if not, you can click on the top left-hand corner, little smiley faces right there. Then you're going to see my friends, and then you'll be able to click on their names there. And that's if you want to block your friends. But if you want to block someone that isn't on your friends list or whatever, you can kind of type in their name. For instance, like I'm going to type in this name right here. And then same thing, whether you don't know them, like the example I'm showing you here, or if you got like a friend or whatever, you want to click on their name like this, and it's going to bring up their name at the bottom there. You're going to want to click on the little cog next to their name, and then you can see there in the middle it will say block. So you want to click that block button right there, and then it will say what blocking the person means, and you just want to click block right there. Then it'll say that person has been blocked. You can go out, and then basically you can go back in again. If for whatever reason you want to unblock the person, you can do the same process like I said before, and basically go and onto like the person's name again, like so, and then you'll see right next to their name we'll just have an unblock button. You can also just click on their name and do unblock as well, whichever way you want to do it. You can click unblock like that, and then that's how it's done. So that's how you do both of them things there. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on the screen to see more how-to videos on the Houseparty app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.